Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox the Microsoft LifeCam HD-3000.
This is gonna be my webcam. So pretty cool. Here's a look at the back.
The box.
It's made by Microsoft, as you can see.
So let's open it. You got a webcam, small, looks just like a watch.
Kinda. So that's a cool.
Then you have this cable. Oh, this is how you open it. Okay, never mind. This if you open the whole thing.
Yep. And yeah.
Okay. USB operation.
Cool.
So this is all I'm getting.
Yeah.
A camera. And
remember, guys, if there is something that was included in the original one and we didn't get it, please don't forget to tell us that we didn't find something.
some basic manual and 2 booklet. That's it, nothing more. Anyway, that's all we're having for you. Thanks for watching and
Bye.
bye.
See you.